Alright, so with this question we're asked to find the total surface area of the following shapes. So I'm just going to highlight the key things of this particular question. So we need to find the total surface area. We need to round our answer to the nearest 2 decimal places. So let's take a look at the cube, for example. So we have the rectangular prism. We have a few things we need to take care of. First up, we know that all the lengths are not the same. So if we start by looking at the face of it, so the front edge, so what I'm just tracing now, we know we have 2 of those. And I'm just going to draw them out. So we've got that being 3 centimeters and this dimension here being 4 centimeters. Now, like I said, we've got 2 of those. Being that we're asked to find the total surface area, I would say start by finding the area of 1, which would be 4 times 3, and the area would be 12 centimeters squared. Since we have 2 of those, because there is one of the same faces at the back, multiplying that by 2, I've got area is equal to 24 centimeters squared. Now, taking a look at this side here, so the one I'm just tracing over now, again, that seems to be a square. So if I draw that out, I know that this side here is 3 centimeters. I know that this here is 3 centimeters. And then taking a look at the shape itself, I know that that is then repeated again at the back. So now the bit that I'm tracing again, we've got 2 of those. So again, finding the area of the first one, so that's 3 times 3, area is equal to 9 centimeters squared. Multiplying that then by 2, I've got area is equal to 18 centimeters squared. And then lastly, we've got the top. So again, tracing the dimensions here, I can see that the top has the lengths 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Again, I've got 2 of those because the top and the bottom are the same or have the same dimensions. So finding the area of that, I've got 3 times 4, area is equal to 12 centimeters squared. And then multiplying that by 2, area is equal to 24 centimeters squared. Now that we've found the area of each of the surfaces, what we then need to do is add them all together, because the key word being total. So I'm going to go 24 plus 18 plus 24 using my calculator. So I've got 24 plus 18 is 24, and that'll give me a total of 66 centimeters squared. And that'll be my final answer. So the total surface area of this rectangular prism is 66 centimeters squared. So now looking at this triangular prism here, we've got a few things we need to work out. First up, we can see that the top and the base are the same and they're both triangles. So I'm going to draw that out first. And we're told that it is an equilateral triangle, so that's marked or indicated by these double lines. So that means each of those is 7 meters in length. We also know that the height of this is 6.1 meters. So referring to the area of a triangle formula, so that's half times base times height. We've got area is equal to a half times 7, because that's our base, times our height of 6.1 meters. So again, typing that into the calculator, so I've got 7 times 6.1, I get an area of 21.35 meters squared. Now, like I said before, we have 2 of these, so remember the top and the bottom, or the base. So multiplying this by 2, I get area is equal to 42.70 meters squared. Now that's just for the triangular faces. Then we've got these rectangular faces we need to deal with as well. So I'm just going to might just draw a quick line through here first to differentiate that they're 2 different questions. So then our rectangular face, we have 3 of those. And if you're wondering where they are, there's one at the front, then following that dotted line there's another face there, there's another one there as well. So we've got the dimensions what are they? So we've got a height of 8 meters, and then this one's 7. And like I said, we have 3 of these. So working at the area of one of them, so we've got 7 times 8. So the area of one is 56 meters squared. Multiplying that by 3, my area is going to be 168 meters squared. So now the area of my rectangular faces in total is 168, and the area of my triangular faces is 42.7. So now adding those together for my total surface area, I get total surface area of 210.70 meters squared in total.